The moment of truth. Hey guys, welcome back to the Blissful Athlete. Thank you for tuning in. Today this is a first time video I've ever done one of these where I'm gonna actually show you what I'm cooking for dinner. You know, in the past 3 years, I haven't really had to do that too much when we were living in the ashram, and it was nice to have people take care of you in that way. And so I'm feeling that blessing immensely right now in this moment. And but anyways, so tonight we're going to be cooking some cauliflower soup. Priscilla and I were really starting to transition to the Nirahara diet. I got to be honest, we started this morning with a shake or a fruit smoothie. Then I had a shake at lunch, and then I had some chips because we had chips left over and I wanted to finish the chips. And now I'm going to be cooking our soup for the evening. And so before I jump into that, I want to give a shout out to Monica Fraser. She designed this meal, and she has a whole list of, I think, 30 plus recipes. So if you're wanting to go to a Nirahara diet and you want some guidance in that way, we're using her ebook. I think you could download it for $7. I'll put a link in the description below. But so shout out to you, Monica. Thank you very much. And so what we're going to be eating today is the cauliflower soup. Let's see how it goes. I'm sure it's going to taste delicious. Monica's first meal was already delicious before, so we'll see how this one goes. So the first thing that's called for in this meal is, actually it's cauliflower, but I'm talking about right now is walnuts and cashews. Walnuts, they cost about $19 a pound, so that was kind of ridiculous. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix in these cashews simultaneously with those walnuts. And then we got some rosemary and thyme that are going into the meal. Vegetable broth, organic of course. And then we got a full head of cauliflower that I'll chop up. And we'll put all those things together and we'll see how it goes.
Put him up, put him up, put him up, put him up. Put him up. Put him up, put him up, put him up. Hands up, bro, when you party with us. Get it ready, straighten out the bluffs. We good, we the cosmic trust. We got his third eye here with us. His feet blow the cosmic dust. Can manifest what you want when you trust. He flies way beyond the fame. Yes, this bliss is as sweet as it looks. You know we put something on us right before leaving for Shivlo. We're brahmacharis. You come hands folded at us, you be leaving without the coke and the cloak. We're brahmacharis. We pop pyres like it's all free. Through his blessing, this space is ours. We're brahmacharis. You can ask what you want.
All right, so I've chopped up everything. I've steamed the cauliflower. The broth is now hot. I've put the nuts into the blender, but the blender isn't big enough, so I'm gonna have to do it in 2 parts, I think. So right now I'll blend it and then we'll go from there.
Got Kantamala and Amalingas. We run the free ride cause we don't need no gas, yeah. We be high on life, flying on prana. A little busy so we move a little faster. Ask what you want, we got the copper rickshaw. We the favorite, we cosmic inherited. Yes, you came down to share it. Just pull yourself out of the matrix. Rule number 1, claim Paramashivoham, and that's it. Lights on, flame is lit. Trust, his grace works like magic. Hands up, bro, when you party with us. Get ready, straighten out the bluffs.
All right, guys, so I just finished cooking this cauliflower soup. I've already sampled it, it's delicious. And it's really heavy as well, it's thick. But Priscilla just got home. I've already served her her plate or her bowl, so now she's gonna sample it and she's gonna let everybody know how good it is. Moment of truth.
Very good.
Yeah!
You can ask what you want, it's on here. Eternal bliss, take a look at the stars. Cruise through the tricks, sacred ashes on the whip. Tiger skin on the hip, Aparigra hold fit. He never slips, never trips, spends the space on the whim. Tag along and jump in.
Yes, it was not my recipe, it was Monica's. Thank you very much, Monica, by the way. And again, the description, or in the description box down below, I'll put the recipe. No, not the recipe, but the link to get the recipes, okay? But yeah, so we're making it happen. We're switching to the Nirahara diet. We're not fully there yet. We still have some scraps in our food, in our cabinet, so we're getting rid of all that. But We've found some pretty solid meals so far, and it might not look like much. It might like, I know it's just one bowl, but it's really heavy, and I truly feel full, or I will be full from consuming the whole thing as if I was having a real meal. So anyways, I probably won't be doing too many videos like this, but maybe as we switch to a Nihar diet, I'll start to make more of those. I keep looking at Presidio, like I need like confirmation or something. Oh, I can't just switch to Canada.
Why? Because I'm the one that makes food. You have to be really me making the food.
She's laughing because she's the one that normally makes the food, which is true. But I'll start making some videos every now and then when I do cook, okay? So anyways, subscribe to the channel if you liked this video, and maybe I'll do another one sometime down the road. Give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below if you actually have any really good recipes. Please post them down below. I'll give them a shot too, and we'll give them a taste test. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. I know this is a different video. It was fun to make, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care and be blissful.
The news out the bricks, got us who's on his list. Feeling total blessed, swimming in this ocean of bliss. Now he don't play pamper, he got powers, ain't no tricks. He's Parama, Shiva, power clicks, never been the same. He's got 5 faces, 1008 names, like who in the hood. Ain't time to play games when Shiva's your guru. No doubt that you're fit, no powerless in your space, strike, it's a hit.